In this video, we will walk through the steps to register a device to the Control Hub centralized management platform, covering the procedures in both Control Hub and the device's web interface. Step 1. Log in to Control Hub. Go to Settings, General page. It's recommended to enable the invitation code option. You can either manually enter a custom 4-digit code or generate a random one. Click Apply to confirm. If this option is toggled off, the invitation code input field will accept any random 4-digit number. Step 2. Apply to join Control Hub from the device's web interface. Log in with administrative account. Go to System, Control Hub page. Click Register. In the pop-up window, enter the invitation code and Control Hub address. Click OK. Now the join request has been sent to Control Hub, and the status here will display as waiting. Step 3. Navigate back to Control Hub. Go to Devices Pending Approval tab. Select the device and click Accept. Now, return to the device's web interface and confirm the updated registration status. Please note that each device can be registered to a maximum of 2 Control Hub accounts.